राम राम राम। नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहरामि। I welcome you all to class number 6 of Learn to Chant Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Like always, let us do our salutations to our Gurus, Guru Parampara and Granthakartas, and start with today's class. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये. Let us start learning the shlokas from shloka number 30 till shloka number 29 we had learnt in the previous classes. First, let us learn the new shlokas, and towards the end of the class, we will be doing the revision. For this shloka, Prithvi will repeat after me. First, I will tell the words in this shloka. Iti dinam udirayantyasau udirayanti asau udirayantyasau pradadau amalakam vratindave pradadavamalakam vratindave karunam vachanam nishamya sopi abhavat jnananidhir dayardradhihi. When the sandhi happens, it becomes abhavat jnananidhir dayardradhihi, and here it will be sopya bhavat. So otherwise there will be a chando bhanga, and hence we will have to tell it in that way. So I'll highlight the places of the sandhis possible. Amalakam vratindave, karunam vachanam vachanan nishamya. These are the three places where we'll have to pay attention, and I have highlighted the Mahapranas. Prithvi, please repeat after me.
Yes, sir.
Iti dinamudirayantyaso
इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ
pradadavalakam vratindave
प्रददावामलकं व्रतीन्दवे प्रददावामलकं व्रतीन्दवे
karunam vachanan nishamya
करुणं वचनं निशम्य करुणं वचनं निशम्य
सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिः
सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिः सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिः
दयार्द्रधीः
दयार्द्रधीः दयार्द्रधीः.
Here again, Jnananidhihi Dayardradhihi, that is a split, but when we'll be telling the complete pada, we'll have to tell it as Jnananidhir Dayardradhihi. For the ease of repetition, I have broken it at this place. Jnananidhihi Dayardradhihi. Iti dinamudirayantyaso
इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ
pradadavalakam vratindave
प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे
करुणं वचनं निशम्य
करुणं वचनं निशम्य
सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः
सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः
उत्तमम्. Now I will tell the half shloka. इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे
इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे
करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः
करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka slowly twice.
इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः
Uttamam. So if you remember, in the previous class, we had seen the shlokas till 29, wherein Shankaracharya would come to a place, to come to a Brahmin's home for the bhiksha, and that family will be so poor that they will not be able to give anything. And the lady also will say that we are really unfortunate that we are unable to give you anything. And let us see the continued storyline from this shloka. Having expressed these sympathetic words, the lady offered the brahmachari, the Vatu, a dried gooseberry. And Shankara, the sea of knowledge, heard these words of the lady, and his heart melted with pity for her. Let us see what happens next. The words in this shloka are Saha Munihi Murabhit Kutumbinim Munir Murabhit Kutumbinim Padachitraihi Navanita Komalaihi Padachitrair Navanita Komalaihi Madhuraihi Upatasthivanstavaihi Madhurair Upatasthivanstavaihi Dvija Daridrya Dasha Nivrittaye. These are the words in this shloka. Amogha, please repeat after me. Samunirmurabhit kutumbinim
Samunirmurabhit kutumbinim Samunirmurabhit kutumbinim
Padachitrair Navanita Komalaihi
Padachitrair Navanita Komalaihi Padachitrair Navanita Komalaihi
Madhurairupatasthivanstavaihi
Madhurairupatasthivanstavaihi Madhurairupatasthivanstavaihi
Dvija Daridrya Dasha Nivrittaye
द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
Uttamam. So we'll have to focus on the pronunciation of the Mahapranas which are highlighted, and also the last word is a Samastapada or a compound word. The composite words of this are Dvija, Daridrya, Dasha, Nivrittaye. So these are the 4 parts, if you can think of it as it. So by practicing these 4 words, we'll be able to get it completely together. So let us learn it once again. Samonirmurabhit kutumbinim.
समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं
पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः
पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः
मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः
मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः
द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
Uttamam. And this letter is Driya. The, R, and Ya, 3 letters. Maybe in the font it may look like the or gha or etc., but it is Daridriya. The, R, Ya. These are the 3 letters, and that is a Sanyuktakshara here. I will tell the half shloka now. Samonirmurabhit kutumbinim padachitrairnavanitakomalaihi.
समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः
मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
Uttamam. Please repeat the shloka twice.
समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये समुनिर्मुरभित् कुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये
Uttamam. The young sage Shankara praised Sri Lakshmi, the wife of Lord Vishnu. Murabhit Kutumbini means Lakshmi, by words sweeter than butter, and prayed to her to remove the state of poverty of the Brahman. And this stotra, which was composed by Adi Shankaracharya, is famously known as the Kanakadhara Stotram. Let us go to the next shloka. The words in this shloka are Amuna Vachanena Toshita Kamala Tadbhavanam Samantataha Kanakamalakaihi Apurayat Kanakamalaikairapurayat Janatayaha Hridayam Cha Vismayaihi. Mahima, please repeat after me. So, few places where the sandhi we will have to note are Hridayancha, Ekam cha cha jajanya, Hridayancha Vismayaihi. That is how it will become. and remaining other places there are no sandhis as such, which are not shown already. So let us learn this shloka. Amuna vachanena toshita.
अमुना वचनेन तोषिता अमुना वचनेन तोषिता
Kamala. One second.
कमला कमला
Tadbhavanam samantataha.
तद्भवनं समन्ततः तद्भवनं समन्ततः
Kanakamalakaihi.
कनकामलकैः कनकामलकैः
Apurayat.
अपूरयत् अपूरयत्
Janataya hridayancha.
जनताया हृदयञ्च जनताया हृदयञ्च
Vismayaihi.
विस्मयैः विस्मयैः
Amuna vachanena toshita.
अमुना वचनेन तोषिता अमुना वचनेन तोषिता
Kamala tadbhavanam samantataha.
कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः
Kanakamalakairapurayat.
कनकामलकैरपूरयत् कनकामलकैरपूरयत्
Janataya hridayancha vismayaihi.
जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः
Uttamam. I'll tell the half shloka now. Amuna vachanena toshita. Kamala tadbhavanam samantataha.
अमुना वचनेन तोषिता कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः अमुना वचनेन तोषिता कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः
Kanakamalakairapurayat. Janataya hridayancha vismayaihi.
कनकामलकैरपूरयत् जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः कनकामलकैरपूरयत् जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः
Uttamam, except for the last ending, Vismayaihi. Probably we shouldn't drag it so much since it's again Dirghakshara. Two matra kalas are sufficient. Similar to Kanaka Malakaihi. So same way, Vismayaihi is sufficient. Except for that, well pronounced. So please repeat the shloka twice, slowly.
अमुना वचनेन तोषिता कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः कनकामलकैरपूरयत् जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः अमुना वचनेन तोषिता कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः कनकामलकैरपूरयत् जनताया हृदयञ्च विस्मयैः
Uttamam. Let us see the meaning of this shloka. Pleased by the words of Shankara, pleased by his stotra, Kanakadhara stotram, goddess Lakshmi filled the house with golden gooseberries, Kanaka Amalakaihi, golden gooseberries, and not just the house with these golden gooseberries, but the minds of all the onlookers with astonishment. Here we can see how the poet or how the Granthakarta Vidyaranya Mahaswaminaha has used this particular alankara wherein he is telling about two things which got filled. One is the house with the Kanakamalaka, and then everyone's minds with the astonishment seeing this sight. We'll go to the next shloka. The words in this are iti saptamahayane akhila shruti parangatatam gatah vatuhu gato vatuhu. So saptamahayane khila shruti parangatatam. The word akhila shruti parangatatam is one word. Gato vatuhu parivritya guroho kulat grihe jananim paryacharat mahayashaha. Paryacharan mahayashaha. So these are the words, and all places of sandhis that we will have to keep in mind are parangatatang gato vatuhu, and next guroh kulat. Guroh kulat. So these are the two places we'll have to keep in mind. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Iti saptamahayane
इति सप्तमहायने इति सप्तमहायने
akhila shruti parangatatam
अखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताम् अखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताम्
gato vatuhu
गतो वटुः
parivritya
परिवृत्य
guroh kulat grihe
गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे
jananim
जननीं
paryacharan mahayashaha
पर्यचरन् महायशाः
iti saptamahayane khila
इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिल
shruti parangatatang gato vatuhu.
श्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः
Here parangatatang gato vatuhu. So we'll not have to touch our lips. It is not parangatatam gato, parangatatang gato, the fifth letter of the kavarga, kakha gaghanga. Shruti parangatatang gato vatuhu.
श्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः
Parivritya guroh kulad grihe
परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे
jananim paryacharan mahayashaha
जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः
Uttamam. I will tell the half shloka now. Iti saptamahayane khila shruti parangatatang gato vatuhu.
इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः.
Uttamam. So please note, since this shru is a sanyuktakshara, we will have to give a little more stress, and hence akhila shruti. It sounds as though there is one more extra shakara, half sha here. So that's how we'll have to pronounce it. Please keep that in mind. Parivritya परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः
परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः
Uttamam. Let us see the meaning of this shloka now. By the age of 7, having crossed the bounds or the boundaries of his Vedic studies, this famous Vatu, Shankara, served his mother at home after returning from his guru's house. By the age of 7, he would have mastered all the Vedas. Shruti parangatatam gataha vatuhu. And Mahayashaha means the famous Shankaracharya will come back to his home to serve his mother. Let us go to the next shloka. The words here are Jatu mandagamana asya mandagamanaasya hi mata snatum ambunidhigam pratiyata atapogra kirane ravibimbe sa tapaha krishatanuhu vilalambe krishatanur vilalambe. So the few places where we will have to give attention for the sandhis are tapah krishatanuhu, tapah krishatanuhu, and here it will be makara only, ambunidhigam pratiyata. So there's no change anywhere else except for here. Okay, Amogha, please repeat after me. Jatu mandagamanasya hi mata
जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता
स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां pratiyata
स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतीयाता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतीयाता
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे
सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता
जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता
स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतीयाता
स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतीयाता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतीयाता
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे
सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे.
I will tell the half shloka now. Jatu mandagamanasya hi mata स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता
जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे
Uttamam. Let us see the meaning of this. On account of long penance and due to aging, his mother, Shankara's mother, became very weak and lean. Krishatanuhu. One day, she walked slowly to the river to take bath and was delayed to return as she was unable to withstand the severe heat of the sun. This is the meaning of this shloka. So let us see what Shankaracharya does knowing this fact. Let us learn the next shloka now. The words in this shloka are Saha atha sotha netum anavadya charitraha netum anavadya charitraha sadmanaha antikam rishishvara putraha sadmanontikam rishishvara putraha astavit jaladhigam kavihrudyaihi अस्तवीत जलधिगाम कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलंकृत पद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलंकृत पद्यैः. So one place where we will have to note the sandhi here is vastutah sphuradalankrita. That's how it will become. And let us learn this shloka now. Mahima, please repeat after me. सोऽथ नेतुमनवद्य चरित्रः
सोऽथ मनवद्यचरित्रः सोऽथ मनवद्यचरित्रः
सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः
सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः.
I will split this pada again and I will teach. Sadmanontikam
सद्मनोऽन्तिकं सद्मनोऽन्तिकं
ऋषीश्वरपुत्रः
ऋषीश्वरपुत्रः ऋषीश्वरपुत्रः
अस्तवीज्जलधिगाम्
अस्तवीज्जलधिगाम् अस्तवीज्जलधिगाम्.
Please note the dvitva here. Astavit jaladhigam, astavit jaladhigam. So that's how we will have to pronounce. Astavit jaladhigam.
अस्तवीज्जलधिगाम् अस्तवीज्जलधिगाम्.
कविहृद्यैः
कविहृद्यैः कविहृद्यैः
वस्तुतः
वस्तुतः वस्तुतः
स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
सोऽथनेतुमनवद्यचरित्रः
सोऽथनेतुमनवद्यचरित्रः सोऽथनेतुमनवद्यचरित्रः
सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः
सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः
अस्तवीज्जलधिगाङ्कविहृद्यैः
अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः
Sorry, I missed to tell before. So here as well, there is a sandhi. Astavijjaladhigankavihriddaihi. Kakha gaghanga. The fifth letter will be replaced here. So I will repeat it again. Astavijjaladhigankavihriddaihi.
अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः
वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
Again, you don't have to tell with so much of dirgha there. Padyaihi should be sufficient. So I will tell the half shloka now. सोऽथनेतु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः
सोऽथनेतु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः सोऽथनेतु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः
अस्तवीज्जलधिगाङ्कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
Uttamam, please repeat the shloka twice slowly and please ensure you pronounce it right at kavihridyaihi and alankrita padyaihi. It's not padyaihi or padyaihi. So the exact dirgha is one thing which we'll have to keep note of. Okay, you can repeat the shloka twice slowly.
सोऽथनेतु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः सोऽथनेतु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः अस्तवीज्जलधिगां कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः
Uttamam. Let us see the meaning of this shloka. Shankara, of virtuous deeds, the son of a sage, Rishishwara Putraha, having a desire to bring the river near to his home so that his mother will not face any difficulty to go to the river and take bath, he praised the river with well-knit verses which fascinated even the poets. Kavihridyaihi, and with Spurad Alankrita Padyaihi, with lot of alankaras and other things, he created or he praised the river. And let's see what happens next. The words in this shloka are Pratareva, Prataha eva Pratareva, Samalokata Lokaha, Shitavata Hrita Shikara Putaha, Shitavata Hrita Shikara Putaha, This is a compound word. Nutanamiva dhunim pravahantim madhavasya samaya sadanam tam. So the sandhi that we'll have to note is sadantam, sadanam tam, sadanantam. And here dhunim pravahantim, it will become makara only, so there is no change as such. Prithvi, please repeat after me. प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः
शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं
माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम् माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः
शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं
माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम् माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
I will tell the half shloka now. प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम् नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
Please tell the shloka twice slowly.
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम् प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्
Uttamam, well recited. Let us see the artha of this shloka. So Shankaracharya will praise the river, and the next morning the people looked with astonishment at the river running near Lord Krishna's temple, Madhavasya Sadanam Samaya, with the sweet, cool breeze carrying the particles of water as though it's a new river there. Nutanam iva dhunim pravahantim. So Shankaracharya did the seva of Aryamba, his mother, in this way, just to ensure she will not be tired in going to the river and taking the holy dip and then coming back and continuing with her daily rituals. We'll learn the next shloka. The words here are Bahavaha Shruti Paradrishvanaha Kavayaha Adhyaishata Kavayodhyaishata Shankarad Guroho Mahataha Sumahanti Darshanani Adhigantum Darshananyadhigantum Phaniraja Kaushalim. Phaniraja Kaushalim. These are the words in this. A quick highlight of the places where we'll have to do the sandhi are Bahavashruti, Bahavahashruti, Bahavashruti, and Mahatas Sumahanti. Mahataha Sumahanti, it becomes Mahatas Sumahanti. And here it will become Makara only. Adhigantum Phaniraja Kaushalim. Amogha, please repeat after me. Bahavashruti Paradrishvanaha
बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः
Kavayodhyaishata Shankaradguroh
कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः
Mahatas Sumahanti Darshanani
महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनानि महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनानि
Darshananyadhigantum
दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं
Phaniraja Kaushalim
फणिराजकौशलीं
Bahavashruti Paradrishvanaha
बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः
Kavayodhyaishata Shankaradguroh
कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः
Mahatas Sumahanti
महतः सुमहान्ति
Darshananyadhigantum Phaniraja Kaushalim
दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीं दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीम्
Uttamam. I will tell the half shloka. Bahavashruti Paradrishvanaha Kavayodhyaishata Shankaradguroh
बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः
Mahatas Sumahanti Darshananyadhigantum Phaniraja Kaushalim
महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीं महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीम्
Uttamam. Please repeat it twice.
बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीम् बहवश्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीम्
Uttamam. Well recited. Let us see the artha of this shloka now. Many scholars who had mastered the Vedas, Shruti Paradrishvanaha, studied many shastras like Sankhya, Yoga, etc. under Sri Shankara in the hope that they could also get his capacity and skill of speech, which resembled that of the famous Adishesha, the Phaniraja. To say that Shankara was the scholar who was sought even by the scholars. Let us go to the next shloka now. The words are Mama na manasam ichhati samsritim nacha punaha janani punarjanani vijihasati nacha gurur janani क्षम्यतां गुरुः जननी गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनम् ईषत् अपेक्षितम् तदनुशासनमीषद् अपेक्षितम्. Mahima, please repeat. मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम्
मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम् मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम्
न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते
तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्
तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम् तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
I'll split this line again and teach. Tadanuशासनम्
तदनुशासनम् तदनुशासनम्
ईषदपेक्षितम्
ईषदपेक्षितम् ईषदपेक्षितम्.
उत्तमम्. मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम्
मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम् मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम्
न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते
तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्
तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम् तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
उत्तमम्. I will tell the half shloka. मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम् न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम् न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिम् न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्
न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम् न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
उत्तमम्. Please tell the shloka twice.
मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिं न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम् मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिं न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
Uttamam, well said. Let us see the artha of this shloka. Shankara says, my mind does not like me to become a married man or become a samsari, but my mother wouldn't let me go as she cannot understand my mind. Yet she is my guru, and hence at least I should get a bit of her consent to realize my desire of becoming a sannyasi. This is what Shankara will think, and this will lead into one more important episode in Shankara's life, which we will try to understand and learn in the next class. So I will let us wind up today's class here. I will recite the shlokas that we have learned so far in this class today together, and then we will be doing the revision. And there are two important announcements which I'll be making, so please wait. इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं रतीन्दवे करुणौ वचनं निशम्य सोऽप्यभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्द्रधीः समुनिर्मुरभित्कुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः मधुरैरुपतस्थिवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये अमुना वचनेन तोषिता कमला तद्भवनं समन्ततः कनकामलकैरपूरयत् जनताया हृदयं च विस्मयैः इति सप्तमहायनेऽखिलश्रुतिपारङ्गतताङ्गतो वटुः परिवृत्य गुरोः कुलाद् गृहे जननीं पर्यचरन् महायशाः जातु मन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे सोऽथने तु मनवद्यचरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः अस्तवीज्जलधिगाङ्कविहृद्यैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपद्यैः प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातहृतशीकरपूतः नूतनामिव धुनीं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम् बहवः श्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयोऽध्यैषत शङ्कराद् गुरोः महतः सुमहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं फणिराजकौशलीम् मम न मानसमिच्छति संसृतिं न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्. We have learned shlokas so far. One important announcement that I want to make in today's class is we will have to learn all the shlokas so far, whatever has been taught, and for your practice and for the benefit of learning, we will have to record them in our own voices. Please record them in your voice, and you can send it through. There are 3 options, and the preference is in the same order. So uploading using the Google form will be the best way to do it. The details will be sent over an email. I will send it across probably tomorrow. And if suppose you are unable to upload it on Google form through Google form, then you can as well email it to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com, the mail address, my email ID, or you can record and send it through WhatsApp as well. But this is the least preferred way of submitting the assignment. WhatsApp to this number. Please note, this is not my personal number, and the voice call is not activated on this number. It is only for WhatsApp purpose. So please do send only the assignments through this. And please note, I have specified the submission date to be 24th May, but with a little extension, I would want you all to submit it before the next class, which is 27th. So please try to submit it at the earliest. To just give a background of why this assignment is, there are 2 things. One is we will also be able to learn it well, and you can get your recitation corrected, because in every class I'll not be able to give chance to each and every student to tell all the shlokas, and in this way it will be helpful to understand if we are making any mistakes and we can correct them. And one more thing associated with this course, towards the end of the course there is a test, and those who will be successfully doing it will be getting the certificates, and hence this assignment, the whatever we have done so far, the part, it will be very useful. So we have learned the shlokas till shloka number 28, 1 to 28, along with the dhyana shlokas. So this is the assignment which I have given. So if you have any questions or concerns or anything, please feel free to write to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. And one more announcement related to this is, your opinion matters. Basically, we launched this course with the intention in mind to submit this, or to do a samarpanam of Shankara Digvijaya Sara by the time of Guru Purnima, and hence we might require a few extra classes, which will not be every week, but on and off we might have to have a few extra classes to complete that vision of completing learning of Shankara Digvijaya Sara by Guru Purnima. And in case if there are any concerns on that, also please do write to me on that. But when will the extra classes will be and so on, the details will be shared with you on once we have something finalized. With this, let us start the revision of today's class. I will lower everyone's hand, and I request all of you to raise your hands again. I'm just lowering it now. I have lowered it now. Please raise your hand, and then I will call you, and you can recite the shlokas that we have learned today. Give me a minute. I'll just call the names. Okay. So I'll go in the alphabetical order. So let me go to the shloka number. Shloka number 30. Balu Agrahara, I have unmuted you. Can you please unmute yourself and recite the shloka? Mahodaya, I think you are on self-mute. I request you to please unmute and speak. Okay. I think there could be some technical difficulties. Okay. Bhushini.
Namaskara.
Okay, can you please recite?
Namaskar.
Yeah, can you
30th
please recite the
shloka.
shloka? Yeah, 30th shloka.
इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावमलकं व्रतीन्दवे
Come again.
करुणौ
Pradada Vamalakam.
ओके इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं व्रतीन्दवे करुणौ वचनं निशम्यसो प्रभवज्ञाननिधिर्दयार्धधीः. Sorry.
Well said. Okay, no problem. The last line, Nishamya Sopya Bhavat. Sopya, it is not pra. Sopya Bhavajnana Nidhir Dayardradhihi. So once you
Okay.
listen to the recording, I think you will be able to get it well. Otherwise, the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Okay, next Gopika. Can you please tell the next shloka?
नमस्कारः.
Namaste. 31st shloka.
सा मुनिर्भितकुटुम्बिनीं पदचित्रैर्नवनीतकोमलैः मधुरैरुपतस्थितवांस्तवैः द्विजदारिद्र्यदशानिवृत्तये.
Well said, except for the first pada and the third pada, there was a small mistake. Can you just repeat only the first pada?
सा मुनिर्मुरभित्कुटुम्बिनीं.
Okay, it is hrasva sa munir murabhit kutumbinim. Except for that, it was good. And also in the third pada, it is upatasthimam stavaihi. Okay, that is the only probable place of mistake. Otherwise, it was well said. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद.
Okay, Meenakshi Vaikalathur, Kshamyatam. Sorry for yeah. You can tell the 32nd shloka.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah. Sa munir murabhit
This one, next shloka. It is a 32nd shloka. Yeah.
Amuna vachanena toshita kamala tadbhavanam samantatah kanakamalakairapurayat janataya hridayam cha vismayaihi.
Uttamam. Very well said, ma'am. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Mohana Valambe. 33rd shloka. Namaste.
Iti saptamahayane Iti saptamahayane khila shruti parangatam gato vatuhu parivritya guru kuladgrahe jananim pariyacharan mahayashaha.
Okay, well said. Only two places. Kulad grihe, you can give a pause because it is not a compound word. Kulad grihe and then jananim pariyacharan mahayashaha. That is fine. And here you missed telling parangatatam. You missed one takara here. Apart from that,
Mahoday, I have this problem. So when you were reciting, I was trying to hear the two tas, but it was not coming through the two tas. So this is a very good sloka you gave it to me. So now my question. So I want to just repeat that word so I can get it.
Sure.
Shruti paranga gatatam gato vatuhu. Is it correct?
It is no. There was a small mistake again here. I will just try to help you out. Shruti parangatatam. So you'll have to just give a pause after parangata. So probably the word parangata is used most commonly. So parangata tam. So that's how it will be.
Shruti parangatam. Is it correct?
Parangata tam.
So you missed Shruti parangata tam.
Yes, that's right. So once you
a little ta, adha ta is there. Okay.
No. One tam, it is a complete hrasva, but the tam is there. So that is only thing which you will have to practice a bit.
Okay.
Apart from that, I think the pronunciation was good.
Parangatam. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next, Nagashri Ganesh. Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah. 34th shloka.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Namaste.
जातुमन्दगमनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां प्रतियाता आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे.
Very nice. Very well said, Nagashri. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next, Rajalakshmi Krishnamurthy.
Namaskaram Mahodaya.
Namaste. 35th shloka.
Sodane dumanavadhyacharitrah Satmanondigarishishwaraputrah Astavijaladhikam kavihridaihi Vastudasphuradalankritapatyaihi.
Uttamam, well said. So maybe because of the regional influence, the thakara, so tha, and basically the ta was pronounced as though it was the. So tha netum anavadya charitraha and so on. That's the right way to pronounce. Except for that regional influence, I think the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavadaha. So next, Savita Sajjan. Can you please unmute yourself? Yes. 36th shloka. Namaste.
So atha
No, next one. Pratareva. 36th shloka.
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातारुतशिखिरपूतः नूतनामिव धूनिं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनं ताम्.
Okay, the second line or the second pada, the pronunciation was a little bit wrong. So Shitavata Hrita Shikara Putaha. Can you repeat only the second line?
Okay. शीतवातारुतशीकरपूतः.
Okay, Vata Hrita. So Vata Hrita you said, but apart from that, the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavadaha.
शीतवातारुतशीकरपूतः.
Okay, yeah, you can practice that. Okay, next, Prachi ji. Can you please unmute yourself? Okay, I think there's some difficulty. Shyamala Ramachandran.
Hello, sir.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Yes.
36th
You can.
shloka.
Namaste, sir.
37th one.
Okay. Bahavaha shruti paradrishvana kavayodyaishata shankarat guroho mahata sumahanti darshanan nyadigantum faniraja kaushalim.
Uttamam, well said. So 2 points to note here is darshanan yadhigantum. We'll have to tell it together because darshanani is one word, and second point is this letter pronunciation of Phaniraja Kaushalim. Maybe in Hindi we say, yeah, in Hindi we say fal.
Darshananyadigantum Phaniraja Kaushalim.
Very good. In Sanskritam it will be pha. Except these two, I think it was well said. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next, Uma Narayanan.
मम न मानसमिच्छति संस्कृतिं न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च गुरुर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
Uttamam. Very well said. Dhanyavadaha. Pradeep Hiremande. Can you tell the same shloka? 38 shloka. We'll go in the reverse order now.
मम न मानसमिच्छति संस्मृतिं न च पुनर्जननी विजिहासति न च पुनर्जननी तदुदीक्षते तदनुशासनमीषदपेक्षितम्.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very well said. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Let me give a chance for a few more people, and before it is time. Kiran Keshava. Can you please tell the 37th shloka?
नमस्ते.
Namaste.
बहवः श्रुतिपारदृश्वनः कवयो दृशनः शङ्करात् गुरोः महतः समहान्ति दर्शनान्यधिगन्तुं पणिराजकौशलीम्.
Okay, very well said. Except for the second pada, kavayodhyaishata. That word was not pronounced well. Can you just repeat it? Only second line.
महतः समहान्ति
Second
दर्शनान्य.
line. That is second pada.
कवयोध्यैषत शङ्करात् गुरोः.
Very good, very good. And again here it is sumahanti and not samahanti. So that is only one point to note. Otherwise it was well said. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Next, Prachi ji, can you unmute yourself now? Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you hear?
Yes. Can you please tell 36?
प्रातरेव समलोकतलोकः शीतवातरुतशीकरपूतः नूतनामिव धुनिं प्रवहन्तीं माधवस्य समया सदनन्ताम्.
Okay, well said. So only thing is dhunim pravahantim, both are dirghas, so that you will have to give attention. And the letter hr, pronunciation of hrita, it's not rita, hrita, that should come from uras. So shita vata hrita shikara putaha, that's how the pronunciation will be. Can you just repeat second part?
शीतवात हृत शीकरपूतः.
Very good, very well said. Okay. So keep practicing and you will get it right. Okay, dhanyavadaha.
Yes.
Okay, Sita Lakshmi Ammal. Ram.
सोतनेतु मनवद्य चरित्रः सद्मनोऽन्तिकमृषीश्वरपुत्रः अस्तबीजलधिकां कविहृदैः वस्तुतः स्फुरदलङ्कृतपदैः.
So the two things, hridyaihi and padyaihi, this was not pronounced well.
Okay.
And astabi jaladhigam, so the sayukta akshara here, that also was not heard correctly. Apart from that, I think the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Okay, and last one, maybe Nilima. Can you please tell?
जातुवन्तामनास्य हि माता स्नातुमम्बुनिधिगां परियाता आतपोग्रकिरणे रविबिम्बे सातपः कृशतनुर्विललम्बे.
Very good, well said. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, so I think I've asked all people who had raised their hands. Just before winding up the class, if there are any questions that you want to ask me, I will give maybe a minute or two. You can please raise your hand and ask me the questions if you have any questions. Now the chance is for, if you have any questions, please raise your hand and I will listen to your questions and try to answer them. Otherwise as well, you can mail your questions to me, raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. Okay, I see there are a few questions. I'll just unmute you. In case if the time gets over and if you have any more questions, you can still write it to me. Okay. Radha Venkateshan, can you please unmute yourself?
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaste.
No, I just wanted to clarify this Saturday when we send the assignment, should we send all the shlokas or any specific shloka?
Okay, good question.
That is, 10 in number of 10 shlokas at one go, or all that you have taught till now.
Okay, okay. I don't have any such specification as such. So up to you. If you think you will send it in splits of 10, first 10 shlokas and next 10 and next 10, it's also fine, not a problem. Otherwise, if you can record it together, all the 38, and send it also, it's not a problem. In any way, I will leave that to you. I'll give that flexibility to you.
Okay, because no, the problem is the earliest slokas I'm able to recite or read looking at the verses, but the later shlokas I have some difficulty. That's why.
No, very good question and a valid question. And because if you just take 10 shlokas, like probably it would be like say 4 to 5 minutes or less than that. And then if it is 30 shlokas, it will become probably 10 minutes and more. That is also true. So you can actually send it in splits of 10. That should be fine.
Okay,
I'm just working out on the Google form thing, and I will send it across as well in an email by tomorrow. And as I said, the deadline, at least for this first assignment, it's not a very hard deadline that you should submit by this Sunday itself, but I'm giving a leeway of a day or two for this first assignment. So moving forward, we will stick to the timelines as such.
Okay.
Okay, because this time
sometimes Google Form doesn't.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Sometimes Google Form doesn't accept the audio file. Because shall I just directly mail the audio file if it is within?
Yeah, sure. That's what I'm just working out on that. And if that doesn't work, you can definitely send it across the email.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, there's one more question. Devika Ravi, can you please unmute yourself? Devika Ravi.
I do not know how to upload in the Google Form, sir.
Okay, sure. I will be providing the detailed instructions in the email. So using that, you will be able to do it. In case if you have a lot of more difficulties in that, you can still send it across email. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, do we have this book available online? Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Is it available online?
It is available on the course page. The shlokas and this whatever presentations that are that I'm actually using for the classes, it is available on our course page. If you just scroll down in the course page, you'll be able to get it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So I will take 2 more questions and then we will end the class. Kiran Keshava.
Namaste.
Namaste.
You said that on Guru Purnima day we will be winding up. Do we get a chance on that day to recite the shlokas at any place?
Yeah, correct. Originally when we launched this course, we had the vision to submit this, do a samarpanam of this shloka on the Guru Purnima day. But at the current pace, I'm not very sure we'll be able to really accomplish it or not. But we will try our best to reach that. So yes, we will all get a chance to recite the shlokas.
Oh, thank you. Ram Ram.
Namaste. Ram Ram. Shesha NR.
Namaskara.
Namaste.
This Dhyana shlokas of Guru shlokas, where are they available? The first 2-3 shlokas.
Yeah, it is available in the script PDF file, which is available in our course page. If you go to Shankara Digvijaya Sara course page on sanskritfromhome.in, if you just scroll down, you will be able to see the script of the Grantha. And also it will be available in all the slides, in every class lesson slide. So you can just download them and you can learn.
Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad.
Okay, namaste. Okay, with that, we will wind up today's class. Okay, let me give a last chance to Mohana, you have any
I'll
question?
be very quick. Namaskara.
Yeah,
This loading will be just like our Sharada Lipi assignments, because that was done
Yes.
in the Google Drive, and there were
That's
certain instruction people were making and creating new files, and then they told us just load it into just one of those that day's file, like.
Got it.
So just that. That's all.
Yeah, it'll be something similar to that. We are just working out on that. The email will have all the details. With that, Bhavashankara Deshikame Sharanam. धन्यवादाः सर्वेभ्यः. राम राम राम.